Ew, he's ugly.
That's cute.
Damn, did I say something?
You just said it's ugly. They have...
Okay, fine. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God, he's coming. Oh God, he's coming. Oh God. Oh God, I'm scared. Oh God, I see his head. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. I'm so scared. Oh God, he's coming. He's gonna do it.
Oh my God, he's so good.
Oh,
Oh. Wow, you transformed. Great outfit change. That was incredible.
Yo, Lou. Tell him what you do, baby. Do the thing, man. Do the thing, man. Tell him what you do. Oh.
I don't know what the hell that is. Is it a lynx? What is that?
Definitely not a domestic cat.
This is so crazy.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We have some work to do now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you?
So I finally gave in and adopted a cat. This is BB. I adopted him this morning. BB, do you love me? Like, he's already giving me hugs. BB.
What? What? Is your food bowl empty?
What do you need? If you bark at me, I'm gonna get your dad. Andrew! Andrew, come get your son. He's gonna come get you. Your dad's coming. You're gonna be in big trouble when your dad gets here. Andrew, your son.
I got a cat and I don't... he sucks on my neck. And apparently that's normal. Apparently it's comforting to them. So we'll just be letting him do this.
You ever just look at your cat and just meh. Meh. You just have such a squishable, grabbable head. Love you.
Kita. Kita, roar. Kita, roar. 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 You're not escaping. I know.
Uh-oh. Looks like somebody's in trouble. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Pablo. You're too fast. Run, Pablo. It's a free-for-all. Oh, they all made it back. Good.
Stay. Stay. Lay down. Bronx, lay down. Lay down. Oh. Okay, that's a good boy.
Good morning. Hi, Tank. There's Tiny. Oops, there's Tiny. Yeah, there's your brother and sister. The big old Tank. Hi, buddy. Oh, you guys are cute.
Mushy! Mushy, look at this nut.
How you doing?
Second time I see you here with the dog. What kind of dog is that?
He is a German Shepherd mixed with wolf.
Mixed with wolf?
Yeah, he's part wolf.
Oh my God, Paul. Did you hear that? He's beautiful. Docile?
Thank you. What do you mean?
He's very sweet and
No, he's very relaxed.
Really?
With humans, he's good. With dogs, he wants to play, but other dogs kind of get like afraid of him, you know? So then he'll get that like
beautiful.
sense.
It's the third time I see you walking in here, and I'm like, I'm gonna stop one day and
Heck
ask
yeah.
him about it. Very beautiful.
He appreciates it. Have a good one.
You in your cage, hey, Milo's in his cage, hey, Loki, where you going? Get the hell in your cage, hey, go in your cage. Thank you, Loki, all dogs in that cage, one person left, he the worst one, he always trying to run. Oh my goodness, get in your cage, get in your cage, hey, get in your cage, get in your cage, get in your cage, do the cage dance, do the cage dance.
What? Look!
I messed up, Quincy. I'm sorry.
Cause I heard the fuck.
Yo, you got a license? Hey, bro.
Hey, where a license
Yo,
at?
hey, you got a license?
Okay. Why'd you have to bring that up?
I've got no roots. Dobby with clothes. Dobby is free.
There is two people in this room, and one of them didn't eat the leftover pizza. One did. Who did? Who do you think it is? Did you eat it? Did you eat the pizza? Did you eat the pizza, Smiler?